Right guys, new car for the channel. Just a quick walk around. It's a clean car to be honest, just needs good old polish. It's got a few light marks. Polish will come take that out. There's that. Interior is literally immaculate for this. It's only done 81,000. Obviously the mini sold, so I will let you know how much profit I made on that one in the top right or left corner in a minute. It's got obviously the piano finish. Guys, just as I was getting someone to buy this car, I go and move the car out of the car park and I smack it on a bollard. Look how low down it is. What a joke. I really can't believe I'd never ever crashed a freaking car. And the one time where someone's literally come in about 10 minutes. Absolutely gutted now. Now I don't know what's got. Auxiliary, aircon, all that. Glove box actually works with locking wheel in it. In the back, just had the bumper in it, so better move it out of the way. It's looking very clean. And basically, I think these alloys have already been refurbed. No, maybe not. They've just been touched up. Long story short is this is why I bought it. Because it's had that. It's parked on a lady's drive in some builder van, drove into, reversed into it, and then drove off whilst come back. So that's it. This was so hard to find this bumper in this colour. I literally been taking about a month just to find it. It's Z157, which is Star Silver. And obviously the other ones are grey, a lot of them are different colour. Well anyway, I managed to find this one about 20 minutes away from me. It's got obviously a few scratches on it, but I paid crazy money for this. I think he wanted like 70-80 quid and I got it down to like 45. Got a few little cracks, but that's so common on these. Once that's all polished you probably won't notice it. Little scuffs here, little battle wounds, but I'm going to polish all them out. The annoying thing, it's got parking sensors, but this car hasn't got parking sensors, but I might just buy the box for it. Not too sure yet what to do. I might just tell the next person that's going to buy it to they can buy it and fit it themselves. Nothing in these, apart from the jack in the other one. So the plan now is basically polish it all up. It's already got 6 months MOT on it, and it's got obviously all these little scratches along it, but that should all polish up nicely. This energy. Polish it all up and then whack it up for sale. So yeah, let's move this bumper out of the way, because there's been a bit of a story with this one. I did actually order a bumper, paid 90 quid for it, got it turned up, and it was the biggest pile of crap ever. So wasted 90 quid on it, but it is what it is. So what I'm going to do now is polish this up, and yeah, I'll crack on now. Alright, there's one side guys. That's all done. Looks a million times better. Just got to do the other side now. It's looking a fresh car. And the bumper I've basically done. Just needs touching up, but look at that. Just got to get all these like marks out here. And there. There's a few. Another one there. And then we'll be done. So I'll do that now. There you go guys, all polished up. Pretty much got all the black marks out, every single one. It's looking nice little car now. Well, happy with that. So the next thing is clean these wheels and get this up for sale, and then on to the next one. I think this course on flipping needs new brake pads. I knew they were quite low, but I didn't think they're that bad. But look at this, it's just come off, falling apart. It's all completely milled. It's just sitting like that. Nice and shiny for the new owner. New pads, new discs. Happy customer.